What are you doing today? All right, well, you're coming with me. We're gonna go test a generator. So we wired a facility and it has a generator plug on the outside of the building. So what we're doing, the building has been turned over, but we need to verify that the system will work using a generator, a backup generator, if for some reason the power went out. And so that's what we're doing today. We've got a meeting there in about 20 minutes. Just verify that it works, and we wired it per plan. Okay. We got plans for our later date today, and we got the generator loaded, truck's warm, meeting's happening right now, we're late.
Nice.
Okay, so real quick overview. We get power from Idaho Power over here, comes underground, hits this guy, comes in. This is a 480 volt panel. And out of the 480 volt panel, it goes into the transformer. Transformer then goes inside to a series of panels. What this guy is, this is a 30 amp, 2-pole, 4-wire, because it has a neutral and a ground, 2 hots. So this is our plug for the generator. The tenant will provide their own generator at some point, and they will plug their generator in using this cord that we are giving them. Basically, if for some reason the power were to go down, the generator would fire up and then give them emergency backup power.
Here is our emergency panel. So you got right here your 30 amp main breaker. This side is your utility supply, which is on. That side is your generator supply, which is off. So if you go to flip this on, it turns off the utility supply so you can turn on the generator supply. And what we got here is 3 single pole 20 amp breakers running our circuits on them. That one right there is a spare. And this pretty much just makes sure once power goes out, they have a certain amount of time to actually bring a generator here and plug it in instead of having a kind of an automatic transfer switch with the generator setup kind of deal. All right, so that emergency panel is going to be running a freezer and 2 refrigerators, which is just going to hold medicines, stuff like that, stuff that can't spoil. So we got this electrical outlet down here. 2 lights means good. Got this one over here. Good. The last one. Good. It's 3 out of 3. Say that's 100%. All right, so while we're here, I picked up just a little bit nicer of an electrical schedule than what we had just taped to the inside of that door. Me neither.
I view this more as security than anything.
Yeah, me too.
Covering our butts here.
I'll put the rear end on first.
All right, we've been here. We made sure that the emergency power backup will work and that it will supply those 3 circuits. We talked to the GC, made sure he witnessed it, saw it. We got emails for paper trails. I've got to head to another job. I'll see you guys in the next video.